Hello friends, welcome to my channel PC Fix It. Today in this video I'll show you how to configure LAMP stack on Windows. Basically we see the LAMP stack in Linux, or we found the LAMP stack on Linux. It can be easily configured by installing the packages Apache, MySQL, PHP, etc. So a lot of people don't know how to install or configure this LAMP stack on Windows. There is a few software by which we can configure the LAMP easily. Today here I show you one of the software, name is XAMPP. So basically to install the XAMPP, first of all we need to the website to install its installer. So there are few different types of installer here. We found you can have few choices of PHP versions, so you can download it as per your need. So let's check the options of downloads. As you can see here, there are three versions available here right now. The updated one, which is 7.3, 7.4 and 8.0. so whatever your PHP version you needed, you can download accordingly. So I have already downloaded one version. So let's see how we can install this XAMPP package and configure the LAMP stack on Windows 10. You can configure it on different version of Windows as well. So all you need to do is right click on the installer and open it, or you can just double click the installer, and after clicking on next you will get some choices, the software choices. So as per your need you can select the packages. I am here just installing the LAMP package, which is MySQL, Apache, PHP and the PHP7.4. From page, you already know, I think the PHP7.4 is the graphical mode to manage the MySQL databases. So it is very easy to manage the databases through PHP7.4. So after choosing your desired packages, you need to click on next. If you need all the packages, then you have to check all of the options and then click next, and then here you get the default installation path. I personally recommended to install it in different driver other than C drive, because if you face any kind of OS related issue, then it is difficult to back up your data. So just choose the desired drive and make a folder. Here I am giving name as a XAMPP. I am selecting it. So now this package will install on my E drive XAMPP folder. Now just click next. and choose the language. And then next and next, and it will then start the installation process. It will take few minutes to complete the installation, so you have to just wait to let it installed. So it almost installed, and after the completion we'll check how we can configure and what is the web root, what is the path for the web root where you need to put your website files. From XAMPP you can run any kind of development platform like WordPress, Magento, Node.js. All you need to do is just check the install or active modules, PHP modules. By default there are few modules which are disabled or not available, so you need to enable or install it additionally for your needs. So we can see it is installed and we have get the finished window. So just finish it and you will get the control panel of XAMPP, from where you can start and stop the services and configure the services as per your need. Here also you will get a lot of options to just customize the LAMP stack. You will get the cell option. It will give you a command prompt to manage or check the services. You can start, stop the services, configure the PHP settings. It like Linux bash. So if you are comfortable with the bash command prompt, then it is good for you. So let's just start the services and check by simply type localhost on your browser. So it will go to the XAMPP home page. So now we can assure that the Apache server is working fine with this installation. So let's just go to the XAMPP installation folder. Here you can see a htdocs folder, which is the web root for the Apache here. So all the files of your websites or your custom PHP files, you need to put the files to the htdocs folder. So let's just create a PHP info file so that we can check the PHP information currently configured for this LAMP. Just putting the PHP info code here. It is very simple. It is call the PHP info function when we run the file on browser. So let's check whether the PHP info file is working or not. Just write down the PHP info beside localhost. There might be some syntax problem, syntax error. Let me check. So it is working fine now. So you can check the PHP info page has been opened, and you can check all the details of the PHP. Here I have installed with the PHP version 7.4. So here you can check all the enable modules, PHP memory and all. So if you get that any module is missing or not enabled, you can check from here. So that is all in this video. We will check the different module platform, development platform installation on XAMPP on my next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.